Yo, what's good? It's Billioj. I'm out here today in beautiful Utah. Just finished another leg of our journey. And today, I felt like it would be a good day to give you an official tour of the Tacoma. Come check it out. I'll start off with what makes this thing a home, and that is the cap. Got the high top. If you check out the inside here, you'll notice we got a nice Velcro interior, keeps it nice and insulated, and most importantly, it makes it a perfect Velcro surface to store numerous items. Boom. Ceiling light, that easy. Big windows here, allows a lot of light in, but it also allows a lot of heat. So I keep them blacked out, keep us a low profile. Stealth camping is not a top priority, but it can be if it needs to be. And we got the big window cover here. We got the back window cover here. Keep some extras right here. One of these windows on each side. And if I just pop this sucker off, boom, we can slide her open. We got the screen in the window. Get the other one open if we want to. Nice little cross ventilation. It's fucking beautiful, bro. Let's see, this thing's got a couple ways that it can open and close. It's nice to keep it halfway if it's a little windy or a little rainy. You know, depends on your needs. This thing can do it. And it has locking capabilities, so all the stuff inside here stays nice, private, and safe. Of course, the most important thing about having a home is having a bed and a place to sleep. And that's why right here we got our Tempur-Pedic mattress, about a 12-inch. It's a fat sucker, but you know what? It's comfortable and it was free, so I can't complain. Got it sitting on a nice wooden structure here that I had my buddy Peter help me build. Thanks, Pete. Got 2 pairs of skis, a chair, our cooking gear, a stove, and our hiking backpacks. So we can get a lot fitting down here. We're not letting an inch go to waste in this truck. I can guarantee you that the Taco is at max capacity. We got her outfitted nice and comfortably with a his and hers sleeping bag, zip down the middle, make it one big sleeping bag. It works well. Got room for 2, even more room for 1, 2 pillows. And we got an extra wool blanket back here in case we need a little extra warmth or, you know, whatnot. The shelves is the newest and greatest addition I've put to the back of the Tacoma. Not only does it create a separation of sleeping space and storage space, but it does it in an efficient manner that makes it capable to reach every object I ever need. The shelves are what really brings this whole living area together. I'll start with the clothes storage area. These are 3 bins. One's for her, one's for me. One is for ski gear storage, which we did get to use on our trip. Frick yeah. You'll see that I got 2 hooks on the bottom of the wood here, some hooks up here, and you know, you need to get your clothes, you take them out. No problemo, easy access. If you want to get something quick on top, whatever you have, it works. It really does work. And you simply just take the bungee cords, put her like that, and they ain't going nowhere, trust me. They're in there solid. Another great part about this shelf system is the top shelf, which I got full of delicious snacks and treats. Late night treats, midday treats, morning treats, breakfast treats, lunch treats, all types of treats and snacks. My favorite part of the shelf area is right here, and that is my desk area. The desk area is just great. It's wonderful to just keep things there. You got a beer, boom. Take a swig, put it away. And of course, I'm able to somewhat sit up due to the high headroom of this beautiful cap. And you'll notice that everything is held down with bungee cords. Yeah, so I mean, unless I'm doing some heavy duty off-roading, which we've definitely come across, this stuff don't go anywhere. It stays in there nice. And of course, underneath the desk area, we have our spice rack area, complete with all the essentials such as garlic salt and seasoned pepper. The garlic salt actually works as a perfect lever to keep it wedged in there. I mean, it stays in there pretty good. And like I said, unless I'm doing some heavy duty off-roading, but most of the time it's packed in there pretty tight and stays in there nice and snug, so can't complain. And right next to the spice rack, we have the Goal 0700, what is the 500X? And this thing is a freaking beast. It is the answer to all my problems when it comes to charging camera batteries, laptops, and of course your cell phone. I mean, we run this sucker dry, but we actually don't. I've only gotten it down to 50%. I'm gonna get that for you. Boom, you plug that sucker right in, and boom, I hit the little button in the front of my car, and as I'm driving, it charges up, and I never have an issue with it dying or even getting low on me. It works great. And then of course up here, this is just kind of like a miscellaneous shelf area, if you will. We got some tortillas and rag, little tripod. Usually I'll leave my camera on there, maybe a cell phone because it's easy to reach from outside the truck. And then here we got, well, the essential shelf, I like to call it. The shelf of essentials, we'll say. We got propane, we got olive oil, we got balsamic vinegar, we've got the containers of miscellaneous needs, such as Velcro and batteries and markers and first aid kits, and the top shelf here is all silverware, forks and knives, and all the good stuff for cooking. And of course we got right here, all-purpose soap, which we use to wash ourselves, our dishes, our dogs, our cars, our hats, or other places, you know. This right here, just another hook. Got some headlamps ready to go at any time. Of course, you need to have a poop shovel if you're ever gonna be living out in the woods. And yeah, some essential cleaning wear such as sponges and scraper. I got a little hook here, I like to keep my keys. Got some toilet paper here, of course. Another rag for dishes. And if you come look at the floor area, I call this the floorage. It's the storage on the floor. We got just some extra water. Got a 2.5 galloner. That seems like it needs to be refilled. Of course, no home is complete without a welcome mat, so you need one of those. And you got your beer stash here. You can fit some stuff underneath the desk if you need to, which is real convenient. You can even fit some stuff under here, which sometimes I like to do just like that. Then we got our dirty laundry in the back corner underneath all our other clothes, and hidden away like that keeps most of the smell out and seems to be an efficient way to store our laundry. And of course, you need a pee bottle. I pee in it. Boom. Now, before I wrap up this truck tour, I'm just gonna show you the front real quick. Boom. Suicide doors. What up? Boom. What do you got here in this 2007 Tacoma is an access cab. 4-wheel drive capability and everything you would ever need in the off-road traveling vehicle. Got plenty of room for storage. We got our trash storage here. If you come look in the back here, this is where we also store our big old 6-gallon, elevation.
Oh my God.
Elevation might have fucked with her a little bit. But yeah, we keep our water supply there too. Bit of a mess, but it all works out. We got our ski boots hanging out. We got our cooler full of our non-perishable foods. We got our most essential items here, or most valuable at least, my camera equipment, Brianna's laptop, and then we got some paper goods here. We got our camp shower in there, keep her stool there. And yeah, what's great about this access cab is you get some storage in the back, you get all the room you need up front, and this fucker's ready to go and take you anywhere. Plenty of storage, gotta have your FM radio on hand if you're gonna be doing good camping. And this sucker's a beast, man. I love her. I think that's gonna wrap up the truck tour. Hope you enjoyed, and now I got a bonus tour for you for KJ. Show us KJ. FK. Bonus truck tour.
Okay, we're just loving it. This is the living room. Right now we got a little junk in the living room. It's not really junk, it's more lake stuff.
Yeah, that's lake stuff.
Frisbee, all your miscellaneous stuff. But this is gorgeous right here. We have these foam pads that I got from Moab Trader where I only shop. The shirt's also from there. And they were $60. Normally 120. I got them both for 120.
Nice.
What else? Tinfoil, all my stuff. I got all of my seasonings because I love to cook on the road.
Ooh.
It's just gorgeous out there. This I use for miscellaneous things. And yeah, basketball because my game doesn't sleep. And that's really it, you know?
Want to just give us a quick little shot of the cab?
Yeah. Hop up here. We got a dog up there right now. Stylee. And this is just, come on, welcome. Welcome to my humble abode. Get in there. Huge money stack because you always need that. This cash.
Yeah.
When you're on the road, you always need cash. And yeah, you know she's got me everywhere, so she hasn't broke down yet. She leaks a little bit, but that's okay.
Hell yeah.
This segment is called the mobile hydration station. So you just set yourself up right here. I've always wanted to date a Playmate, now I can. So you get your Playmate, pop her open, you got the cup holders right there. Margarita mix, organic, always the best. Water for later. La Nozzul.
Ooh, yeah, that's that good stuff.
That means that light one in Spanish. Fill yourself up with a little ice. I like to do a full cup. I'm a full cup guy. Other people like to do different things. When you're out here, I've broken off the tips, or sometimes I need a bunch of. Let's get this thing. This time we're doing honestly. This is a nice little spot.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Yep.
Perfect.
Shit, yeah. 1 to 10 taste test. 1 sip. Everyone knows the rules.
10.